guys, this is Malinki. Welcome back to my channel, Voice of Malinki. Today we will talk about cell junctions. And if you are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel. And if you like my video, please do like, comment and share my video. So, cells are not separated. They are not alone. Cells are connected to each other. Like this. Here we can see 4 cells are there. Now all cells are connected like this. So the connection that we can see here are called cell junctions. Okay. So usually we can see 4 types of cell junctions. Tight junctions, Adherens junctions, gap junctions and Hemidesmosome. So we will talk about them one by one. First is tight junction. So here we can see this is cell 1, this is cell 2, this is cell 3 and these 3 cells are found above this basement membrane, that is the non-cellular structure. We can see basement membrane here. That means these cells are epithelial cells because epithelial cells are only found above the basement membrane. So this is the nucleus which is present in every cell, and here this is the boundary, that is the plasma membrane. Now you can see here that these 3 cells are connected to each other and you can see no intercellular space between these cells. So here they have the junction that is called tight junction because cells are attached very much tightly here. So this junction is nothing but some protein strands. There are some protein strands, this red color thing. These are some protein strands which attach these cells to each other. Okay. So the plasma membrane seal off passageways between these adjacent cells. So this helps to stop substances from leaking. So this is their function. Next is adherens junction. So here also we can see this is cell 1, this is cell 2 and this is cell 3. And again the example is epithelial cells because we can see the cells are situated above the basement membrane. Now here you can see this is the plasma membrane, this is the nucleus, just like the previous cell. So in the cytoplasm you can see a plug here, right? This is the plug. This is found in the cytoplasm of each cell. So this plug is nothing but some proteins, aggregation of proteins. A special protein that is found in this plug is cadherin. Now what happens here? So the cadherin is found inside this plug and this crosses the plasma membrane. Suppose this is adhering. So this crosses the plasma membrane and it is now in the intercellular space, right? Because this is intercellular space. I think you know what is intercellular space. Intercellular space is a space that is present between 2 cells. So in this case, a very narrow intercellular space is present that was absent in the tight junction. Now this cadherin, it crosses plasma membrane and now it is in the intercellular space and it contacts with the next cadherin molecules that is present here, that is found in the next cell. Again here you can see the cadherin protein is here. It is coming from this plug, crosses plasma membrane. Now it is in the intercellular space and it contacts or it connects with this cadherin protein which is coming from the next cell. Okay. So what they do? They actually perform cementing to keep neighboring cells together. Okay, let's talk about gap junctions now. So the name is gap because you can see a gap between these cells. So this is cell 1, this is cell 2, this is cell 3. Again, they all are epithelial cells. They are found above the basement membrane. Now you can see a gap is present between the cells. So a narrow intercellular space is present here. Now what happens? You can see this protein. So this is the plasma membrane of cell. Now this protein is actually a membrane protein. That means it is found in the plasma membrane. So this protein forms a fluid filled tunnels like this. And this tunnel connects two neighboring cells. That means the cytoplasm of this cell is connected with the cytoplasm of this cell via this tunnel, right? So why this is useful? Because it connects the cytoplasm of adjacent cells. Let me write it here. Connects the cytoplasm of adjoining cells. Why? For rapid transfer of ions, small and big molecules. So did you get the difference between this gap junction and this adherens junction? Actually, the protein that was found in adherens junction actually arises from this plug that is found in the cytosol. Then it crosses the plasma membrane and comes to the intercellular space. But in case of gap junction, this protein arises from the plasma membrane. And this protein forms a channel and this protein again connects with the cytoplasm of the next cell. And in this case, this protein is connexin. Okay. Next is hemidesmosome. So again you can see this is cell 1, this is cell 2, this is cell 3. All are epithelial cells and the cells are found above the basement membrane. In this case, the cells are not connected, but the cell is connected to the basement membrane via this hemidesmosome. this is a protein. This is a protein, that is the membrane protein, that means it is coming from the plasma membrane. This protein is usually integrin, and this protein attaches to the basement membrane. Hope you understood the difference between all the cell junctions. Thank you.